welcome back everyone to this new tutorial video. In today's video, we're taking a look at the way that you fix the TikTok video upload fail. So if you are uploading a video to TikTok and it has failed for some reason, let me show you a couple of things that you can try out. The first thing that you need to ensure is that if you have a stable connection or not. If you don't, you can try switching between a Wi-Fi and a cellular data. The second thing that you can do is try to close the app from the recent list and then try opening it up again. By doing this simple step alone, you should be able to fix this issue of the video upload. What you can also try out is try to clear the data and cache of the TikTok app. So just tap and hold the app and then head over to app info. Once you're inside of this settings page, tap on clear data and then tap on clear all data. What this will do is log you out of your account and then you need to again log in back. What you can also try out is uninstall the app of TikTok from your phone and then again re-download it. Lastly, you can check for any new updates available. Head over to the Play Store or the App Store. Search for TikTok, and if you do see new updates available, make sure you hit that update button. That's pretty much all for today's video. I do hope this guide video was helpful to you. If it was, be sure to subscribe. I'm gonna see you in the next video.